Hello, thank you for joining me for this new and exciting tips tutorial on the 3x3. Let's get started. So I'm going to show two different cases on the 3x3 today on the top layer, OLL. Just to note, the bottom two layers are solved completely all the way around. So I'm going to show these two different cases so you could get all the yellow on top. That's what OLL means. It means orienting the last layer and flipping these pieces to get on top. So we will start with this one. But just a note, just so you see it yourself, these are two different cases. So this one has, like an example, a double bar here, a double bar here. This is considered like a fish case. This one here is just like it, but it has a single dot here and here, so it's a little bit different. So there are two different algorithms and two different cases. So let's get into it. Okay, so when you have this case, wherever it's at, and you see that you have like a square like this, and you want to pull it around and put it in the top right corner here, like this. Or no, I'm sorry, in the top left corner like this. And you want this bar here on the right side. So you have a fish like this. It's called like the fish case. A fish like this. You got the double bar on the right side and the double bar in front of you, like that. So we're going to do a front first, then a right, and then I'll do it slow so you can see the algorithm. So we'll do a front, right, up invert, right invert, up invert, R, U, right invert, and then front invert. So what that did is it took the pieces, the yellow bars here, and put them on top. So we got all our pieces on top. That was the goal, is to get all the yellow on top. So the yellow layer is complete on top, like that. So that's the first case. Okay, so we have a second case like this. This time, we're not going to do it going this way like this, how we had the last time with the double bar and the square here. What we do is we put it going this way, like the fish is pointing toward you, like that. And then you have the little dot on the left side, then you have the dot in the back like that. So you want it just like this, like right in front of you, coming this way with the dots like that. So we'll start off with a R, a right, then a double up invert going that way. So we do a right, up invert 2, then you do an R2, like a right invert 2 going down like this. Then you do a front, a right, a front like that, R, up invert 2 going that way, and then right invert. So there we go. We got all the pieces on top. Just to show how that's done, so everything's complete. I just wanted to show that because these cases definitely come up quite often. You're definitely going to experience these, like they look like the fish case like that. You're definitely going to experience them many times. So just want to show easy algorithm how to do that. And on both of these, I'm using the YS3M, the ball core ones, and I have both the UV and the matte version. So yeah, great 3x3s. They're really good. UV for some reason is really fast. The matte version, like the ball core maglev, this one is very solid. I mean, it's really, really good. And this one's just slightly faster. I guess that's just how it came. Both of them are great. So I just want to show that tips tutorial to help you out to get the pieces on top, the yellow layer solved on top. It's Monday here in Chicago. I have my McDonald's coffee, McCafe, and I'm loving it. Got a little bit left. So yeah, thank you for joining me for this tips tutorial on the 3x3. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I will definitely reply to you. I will reply to you for sure. And thank you so much for joining me today. And yeah, I appreciate your time. Thank you very much. Happy Monday, everyone. Have a great day.